In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer your 401k IRA to Robinhood. This process might seem a bit daunting at first, but with a little guidance, you'll find it's quite straightforward. Let's dive right in. First, open your Robinhood app or website and make sure you're on your home screen. This is your starting point for accessing all the features Robinhood has to offer. From here, you'll want to navigate to the top right corner of the screen. You should see an option labeled Retirement. Go ahead and click on that. This section is dedicated to managing retirement accounts, including IRAs, and is crucial for transferring your 401k. Before you proceed, ensure you have an individual account that has been verified by Robinhood. If you haven't done so already, you'll need to complete this step to unlock all the available features for retirement accounts. Robinhood requires verification to ensure all your transactions are secure and comply with financial regulations. Once your individual account is verified, you'll find that the interface changes slightly to provide more options. In the retirement section, you should now see the option to transfer your existing 401k. It's helpful to have your 401k account details on hand, as you'll need them to complete the transfer process smoothly. Now, locate the 401k account you wish to transfer. Robinhood will guide you through the necessary steps to initiate the transfer. Depending on your 401k provider, you might need to provide additional documentation or contact them directly to authorize the transfer. It's a good idea to check if there are any fees associated with transferring your 401k to ensure you're making an informed decision. Once you've initiated the transfer, it might take some time for the funds to appear in your Robinhood account. Transfers can vary in duration, often taking several business days, so don't worry if you don't see the funds immediately. During this period, it's important to keep an eye on your accounts and ensure everything is proceeding as expected. To wrap things up, always double-check that the funds have arrived safely in your Robinhood account. Once they are there, you can start managing your investments according to your financial goals. Remember, diversifying your investments can help manage risk and optimize returns. So take advantage of the various resources Robinhood offers to make informed decisions. And that's it. Transferring your 401k IRA to Robinhood is a manageable process with a few simple steps. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out for support. Happy investing!